Today, we review the best budget ukuleles for beginners that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Lohanu Concert Ukulele. This might be the best ukulele bundle for beginners like you. When you buy this, you will not just get the concert-size ukulele itself but with other accessories too, like bag, strap, pick, tuner, and more. You will also have an unconditional lifetime warranty.
Number 2.
Cordoba 15TM Tenor Ukulele. The 15TM Tenor Ukulele is Cordoba's best-selling 15cm string musical instrument. Aside from being very reliable and powerful, it is great for beginners because this tenor design ukulele turns head around when playing.
Number 3.
Kala Ka-15S Mahogany Soprano Ukulele. Kala is one of the most well-known ukulele manufacturers and their instruments are really good. And they again prove it with this satin finish Ka-15S Soprano Ukulele. The body and the neck are made of the best mahogany wood design with premium Aquila Nilegut strings.
Number 4.
Lanikai Lu 21 Soprano Ukulele. Compared to other beginners' ukulele, this might be sort of expensive but really worth the price. It is soprano size, meaning it is longer, and 12 frets of this ukulele have more space compared to other types such as tenor and concert.
Number 5.
Mahalo Ukulele MK1TBR Kahiko Series Soprano Ukulele. The company claimed that this ukulele is one of the simple models that features the basic needs of a beginner. This is made up of mahogany fingerboard and bridge and bass frets with a semi-glossy finish.